हाँ भाई, तो आज हम करने वाले हैं either.io. That means I select the winning answer and if I win, I win. If I don't win, I don't win. This is going to be 10 of those. हम 10 करेंगे और there is no punishment today, but there will be a punishment next time. If you guys enjoy this video, I will add a punishment so it becomes more interesting. So the challenge here is that I have to select the lesser one. मुझे majority के साथ नहीं जाना है, मुझे minority के साथ जाना है. तो जो if I pick the result जिसका result कम था, जिसके numbers कम थे, जिसके votes कम थे, I win. But if I pick जो सबने pick किया था, I lose. That's the twist. So let's go and check it out, okay? Make out with Gollum, hook up with Beetlejuice from the movie. Okay, I've seen both of them and I've already selected the right answer, as you can see. Blue. Let's go to the next one. Okay, would you rather have extremely muscular arms, have extremely muscular legs? Oof. I'm pretty sure most people went with arms. But most people have arms already, and it's really easy to make muscular arms, but it's not that easy to make muscular legs. I think it's gonna be blue. 69% want extremely muscular arms. Just get him. You don't have to wish for it. 1 million लोगों ने vote किया. Oh man. Okay. 0-1. Would you rather never touch a computer again, never touch a person of the opposite sex again? Never touch a computer again, never touch the person of opposite sex again, never touch a... देखो भाई, पिछले 3 सालों से I haven't really touched an opposite sex anyway.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ. ਉਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਕਲੀਫਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ.
You know, but not like that. So I'm gonna go with the computer because even though this is an online test, मतलब बहुत सारे nerds ने ये test लिया होगा, but I still feel like nerds को भी they want that touch of the opposite sex. So the less votes went to blue, and that's why I'm gonna pick blue. Bro, I'm not good at this game. I am not good at this game. 77%. Never touch a computer again. Oh, I selected the wrong answer. मैं red select करना चाह रहा था. Shit. Okay, next one. If you were hit by a car, would you rather have locked-in syndrome with no cure in sight, die right when the car hits you? This is a tough one. तो अगर आप कार एक्सीडेंट में इन्वॉल्व हैं, तो what would you rather have? कि गाड़ी एक्सीडेंट हुआ and you just die right away, और गाड़ी पुलट के कहीं जाके गिरती है और आप उसमें फंसे हो, उल्टे लटके हो और कोई आसरा नहीं है. You're not gonna be saved. I think most people will select blue, and that's why I will select red, because red would be the less chosen answer. I'm not good at this game. मेरा अपना रूल मेरी मार रहा है आगे यार. 987,000 people agreed कि just die. कितने लोग depressed हैं अपनी life से यार? Why do you want to die? Just wait there. No cure in sight, but what if it's out of sight? आ सकता है, आप तक पहुंच सकता है थोड़ी देर में. There's always hope. People are stupid, man. Okay, would you rather have to eat the same meal every meal for the rest of your life? Eat whatever you wanted, except once a month you have to eat a doo-doo sandwich. Most people will select blue, right? Right? Most people will select blue. Nobody wants to eat doo-doo sandwich.
Oh! What the hell is that?
So I'll select red. I don't want to eat doo-doo sandwich, but I do want to select the answer जो कम लोगों ने select किया हो. That's my aim in this. So let's go. Yes, finally. But that was too easy. Cheese grate your upper arm? What the fuck? Slide down a fireman pole covered in tacks into a pool of rubbing alcohol. Most people will select red. That's why I will select blue. Red का जो है वो ज़्यादा votes होंगे, इसलिए मैं blue select कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि उसके कम votes होंगे. But I would not pick blue. If it was a personal choice, I would pick red. You would rather cheese grate your upper arm than slide down a fireman pole covered in tacks into a pool of rubbing alcohol? That's nothing. थोड़ा सा हुआ है, कुछ नहीं है. People are so fucking depressed online, man. This one, whatever is like ending their life faster, they will pick that. That's so ridiculous. I've lost so many times. कितना 4-1 है शायद score? Oh my god. Would you rather have a very attractive spouse that treats you badly, have an ugly spouse that adores you? Oof. What do most people want? Most people want an attractive spouse that treats them nicely. पर यहाँ पे options जो हैं वो ये हैं कि आपकी बीवी तो बहुत खूबसूरत है पर वो आपको सिर्फ जलील करती है रोज. या आपकी बीवी बहुत बदसूरत है लेकिन आपसे बहुत प्यार करती है. Oh shit. What do I want? I want blue क्योंकि मुझे पता है behavior में आहिस्ते आहिस्ते change कर सकता हूँ शायद. You never know. Sometimes there's no hope. But I think most people will select red because they want to feel like, you know, they're not superficial, and I'm just gonna go with red. Most people did select red, so I was right. I win this point. Blue is the less chosen answer. मैंने click red पे कर दिया गलती से. Again, this is a second mistake. I was supposed to click on blue, but you know what I meant. I knew most people would select red. That's why my answer was blue, and I was correct. 4-2, 3-2, 5-2. I don't know what the score is. For those who aren't blind, would you rather not be able to see the color purple, red or blue, see everything in black, white and grey? I think red would be the highest selected answer, तो मैं blue choose करूँगा. Red के votes ज़्यादा होंगे. I'm pretty sure red has more votes than blue, so let's go. I don't know anything. क्यों इस दुनिया में?
क्या इतना बुरा?
I have no idea how things work, how people think, what's going on in this world. कुछ भी नहीं पता मुझे. I'm oblivious to all these things. The fuck, man? Would you rather 2 left hands, 2 left feet? Blue has more votes. 2 left hands. People can think of many uses with 2 left hands. 2 left feet. What are you gonna do? Just walk in circles towards your right? Kaise? So I think more votes went to blue and then less votes went to red. So I'm gonna pick red. क्या करोगे 2 लेफ्ट पाओ का तुम लोग? What are you gonna do with 2 left feet? What are you gonna do with it? Just walk in circles facing right. 2 left hands I could use them. एक हाथ से मैं अंडा तोड़ सकता हूँ, दूसरे हाथ से मिक्सिंग कर सकता हूँ. एक हाथ से मैं फोन होल्ड कर सकता हूँ, दूसरे हाथ से मैं there's so many things to do with 2 left hands, man. That's such a dumb choice pattern. कौन choose कर रहा है? कौन लोग खेल रहे हैं game? Would you rather pull all of your toenails out, pull all of your hair out? Oof. I think most people will select red, but what the fuck do I know, right? मेरे जवाब सारे गलत हैं, तो I'm gonna select blue. Blue should be the less votes. Thank God. Because अगर लोगों ने blue पे ज़्यादा vote किया था ना, then everybody is a psychopath. People don't deserve to be trusted or become your friends. They're all psychopaths. Would you rather be a genius in a world of unintelligent people? I already am. Be unintelligent in a world. Yeah, this is such an easy choice. I think most people will pick red because it's the easier option. When you're dumb, you don't really care what other people think or do, or because you don't have the capability of understanding what they know or what they understand and how they process things in world. So you don't feel jealous, you don't feel envious. You just live your life because you're a dumbass. And being a genius in a world of unintelligent people, मुझसे ज़्यादा कौन जानता है? I came here with my higher standard of living and studies, and I'm living in this shitty town. No, I'm not trying to sound elitist or anything, but I do experience this a lot, even at my workplace or whatever. So I think most people will select red. That's why I will go with blue. You don't know what you're asking for. Careful what you wish for. I know most people feel like they're dumb, they're not intelligent, so they want to be intelligent in a group of unintelligent people, and they think कि हम उससे बहुत फायदा उठा सकते हैं, we could be rich, this and that. I get it, but trust me, it's not a wise choice. Would you rather get swine flu, get West Nile? Nobody wants West Nile disease. I'll go with swine flu, which is correct. I win because nobody would select red. See? Good job, Farooq. Would you rather live in a giant shoe, live in a giant peach? Most people will pick shoe, so I will pick peach. Most people picked peach and I picked peach, so I lost this point and I suck at this game. Maybe I should just play the game the way it's supposed to be played. Maybe I should just vote for things that I think are higher votes. Maybe I'll win that way. Maybe I'll do that next video. Last one. Would you rather master every programming languages, master every spoken languages? Easy. Everybody would select red, but you should select blue. But so lesser votes to blue, more votes to red. Let's see. Yeah, of course, man. People don't understand the value of programming languages. If you knew all programming languages and knew just one spoken language, you would be really successful in life. Would you rather get hit by a bus, watch a loved one get hit by a bus? A loved one? I'll get hit by a bus. I want to say more people selected blue, so I was gonna select red, but I can't click on that. So मेरा answer जो है वो red है, but just to see the votes, I'm gonna click on blue. Right. Good people out there. ऐसा नहीं बुरे लोग हैं, अच्छे लोग नहीं हैं. Before you go to bed, would you rather take 3 shots of dip, tobacco spit, or dip? Take 3 shots of dirty bog water. Oh, dip spit. Pan ki peak. मतलब. Bong water is very dirty too, man. Most people will select red. I think more votes went to red. So my guess is red more, blue less. Let's see. Yeah, red more. Okay. I've gotten used to this game. I think next video, जब punishment होगी, I will do a better job and it will be more fun and exciting. So stay tuned for that. I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Take really good care of yourself. Shabba khair.
Have mercy on many men. Many men. Wish that for